Hello guys, this is me posting my first YouTube video on how to access for picture. This is my first video on asking how you fix your Xbox if it's making like ding noises. So all you gotta do is get like a new set of batteries. Because if it does that little rotation thing in the middle of your middle button, press the home